Now, the recent socio-economic census conducted by the centre puts a number of manual scavengers in rural India at over 180,000. Few have broken free. But one such example is of 36-year-old Sunil Yadav, who works as a garbage collector in Mumbai's municipal body. From scavenging to pursuing a doctorate, Sunil has come a long way, but his struggle is far from over.
हम जिस समाज में जन्म हुआ है स्कैवेंजिंग कैटेगरी में, तो उसमें जन्म से ही हम गुलाम थे, तो हमारे अधिकार नहीं थे हमें। तो अभी कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि उसमें से निकलने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं हम। तो एक ही रास्ता है, बाबा साहब ने जो बोला है, पढ़ोगे तो बढ़ोगे।
Stigmatized and largely abandoned. Yet, Sunil Yadav, once a manual scavenger in Mumbai, has achieved the impossible. A BCom, a journalism graduate, a master's in social work, and now doing his MPhil at the reputed Tata Institute of Social Sciences. All of this as he worked at the civic body as a garbage collector.
मैं जब साउथ अफ्रीका में गया तो बहुत सारे सफाई कर्मचारी मेरे पास आए, हमें भी पढ़ना है, बताओ ये बताओ कैसे।
Sunil, lucky to break unlike 4 previous generations in his family who struggled as scavengers. Though banned in 2013, manual scavenging still a dark reality, as highlighted by the just released socio-economic census.
It's sewer drains like this from which over 180,000 people in rural India derive their livelihood. And while the Prime Minister has appealed for an end to manual scavenging, the fight against people lowering themselves into this drain has perhaps only just begun.
A new act has come in the 2013, 2 years has gone. We have not prosecuted even a single person across the country. So when the law is not working, when bureaucrats are not working, when political will is not there, when the society is not sensitive, where is the question that we can achieve our target?
But Sunil so determined, even pushing his wife to break free from the past.
उन्होंने घर संभाल के, बहन का भी कोर्ट में केस था, वो संभाल के उनका पढ़ाई किया। बाद में मुझे बोले अभी तुझे भी पढ़ना चाहिए, पढ़ाई से ही अच्छा मान मिलता है समाज में।
In Mumbai with camera person Dinesh Mahimane, Nikita Arora for NDTV.